Hey everybody, Marcus Richards here on behalf of Big Variety Events, and today I'm going to be starting a new series about operating systems, some of which you most likely do not know about. The first one here is MenuetOS, found on Wikipedia, and I'll go and take you to the website. Um, Developed for PC, written entirely in a 32/64-bit assembly language. Um, is released under the GPL. As you see, I mean, it's getting quite advanced, but I will show you really how it's not that much advanced at all. I mean, it does support digital TV, with, I'm sure not all TV tuner cards are supported, of course. DVD, MP3 player, not going to try that yet. Says resolution's up to 1280 by 1024, so we'll have to see. It is skinnable, but customization is very limited, and I will show you exactly what I mean whenever I get in there. So I'll go ahead and get VMware started and get it booted up. Okay, here we are, and we are inside the OS. It's setting up the desktop real fast, and for some odd reason this weird mouse glitch happens whenever you enter the mouse. It just shoots over here to the side. Not sure what's up with that. So I'll start here. As you see, it has a menu here similar to Windows in style. Not exactly, of course, but in this menu you have some demos of the operating system, one of which includes a nice clock, um, which is kind of hard to figure out, actually. I think you have to get around the rim of it to drag, and double click it, it kind of disappears. Let's do the fractal demo. It's basically an image in which you can kind of zoom into and play around with. Not quite sure. I think it's supposed to emulate some type of 3D thing, but I can't get nothing done with it. Let's check out the audio section. You have a CD player, a WAV player, MP3 player, which does not come up, and you got a mixer. One disadvantage to the OS is that the window titles really do rub together. There's no real sort of blur on the transparency like you see in Windows Vista and Windows 7. Transparency can be set by going to the System and Transparent and changing the opacity of it. If I can figure this out, sliders are really confusing to use. Bring it down, and that makes everything a little bit more readable, but still everything kind of blends in together. You can set the refresh rate, which is pretty cool as well. It's something you don't get to do in Vista, set the transparency refresh rate. Close over here, minimize over here. There's not a double click to maximize, but as you see, it does not scale with the window. It only stays at a fixed size. Double click again, I'm sure to reset. Go to info, tells you a little bit about the OS and some of the credits that goes to. Go to system data, tells some stuff about my system, hopefully not revealing anything that can help a hacker. Go check out the internet section. I have some internet clients here. The HTTP client. It's ready to go. It's a web browser of sorts, but I'm not seeing network support. I really am not. I'm sure in here somewhere in the options you can get it to work on the internet, but in VMware I've tried and it's just not working. Um, um, you got some different server setups here, which, and I'll get to my main point here, I guess, and that is that as far as home operating system, I don't see it going there. I see this more at a retail corporate level than I do anything. I mean, this right here, I believe, would be a great server operating system. HTTP, hosting your MP3s, file transfer, and webcam server. But I don't see it going anywhere else. I mean, it does have some games, which I'll open up Hunter here, and it's very basic. I guess double click to maximize, and it crashes. Just a lot of things there that needs to, it really needs to get fixed. Go ahead so it can't, it's not, and as you see it's kind of glitched up here. See if I can't go, got math, got some spreadsheets applications here. Very basic, of course. I don't know about functions. Let me try one. Yeah, equals. Backspace indeed does not work. Enter, return. So you'll have to find your kind of like your own way of going about this. And save your applications. Very advanced saving though, so you may need to have some prior older computer experience to really get the gist of this. Has a Paint application similar to Paint in Windows 3, I do believe, or Windows 2. Making some B's here. It works okay, I suppose. Not seeing the best usability here as it is kind of glitchy. Okay. And I'll show you the control panel. This is basically it. This there's nothing there. Audio don't work. I haven't tried Windows pictures yet. I was changing the background and the window skinning. Not quite sure, but it does seem to be pretty customizable for an operating system. Which, as again, I see it going back to that corporate level where you're wanting your own operating system, similar to how Lowe's has their own Linux. I kind of see this being the same concept in a larger scale environment. Has a calendar, again another corporate feature that could be handy. I could see that going into a push networking thing where you could go to devices and go on out to other people. Alright, so this will conclude the video for MenuetOS. I will go ahead and hit the quit, and as you see, it does not support ACPI as it gives you a similar prompt to Windows. Press escape, and I guess it kind of sends a reset signal, but as far as automatically shutting down, it's just not there. So this will conclude the video. Please subscribe to a big variety of vids. We look forward to your subscription, and if you want to know more about the operating system, I'll give you the website, the download link in the description. If you want to know about some more operating systems, let me know, and I will gladly do a review of them. Would not mind at all, as long as it's VM wearable. I guess that's a new word. I'll try to make a video of it. Till next time, guys, we'll see you later.